Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. This content is not any official financial advice, it's for entertainment purposes only. Let's get to the fear and greed index, guys. As we can see here, currently at 51, we're neutral. We're continue to range bound to consolidate here near the new lows before making a decision of either rebounding towards the top side or just dumping down to see if we're going to retest the lows of 33. So those are going to be exciting times just to see what Bitcoin is going to decide to do. But for now, it seems that we're just continuing the downtrend where we had a high, a second lower high, and then a third lower high for now. So we're going to see how it's going to pan out in the next couple of days. Right now, we're just neutral. The markets are indecisive, but today, Bitcoin is dumping down a bit, as we're going to see in the charts. But before we actually take a look at the charts, we see that Bitcoin's price is around $27,000 right now. You know, that rounded number mark, down 2.64% in the last 24 hours. But weekly, it is up 3.15%. As we can notice here, we do see that the market cap is down to $524 billion, down 2.65%. But the volume is up. It's at $15.5 billion, up 16.24%. So the market is dumping a bit, you know, so definitely let's take a look at the charts. But before we do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. Click that bell to stay tuned for our videos, and also make sure you like this video, as it really does help out the channel via the algorithm. And what do we offer here? If you subscribe, a free educational playlist, link in the description down below. All you have to do is click that, get a pen, a pencil, and a piece of paper, and just take notes. We have educational presentations for you guys just a click away. So many great educational videos, and they're evergreen. They're gonna age well like fine wine, so make sure you guys check that out. Then we move on to today's Bitcoin chart. Wow. I mean, what we can see here is that basically the downtrend continues. That's what we can notice here per se. We do see here making lower highs as we continue this downtrend for Bitcoin that has started since mid-April. That's crazy. Right now, this looks that it's most likely going to be a third pivot high here to continue the downtrend. And you know, this red negative bearish candle is piercing through the $27,250 previous support, trying to convert it into resistance now once again, with a more than $1,000 move towards the downside in less than 24 hours. We also have a stochastic cross here. Momentum, you know, Bitcoin is losing momentum as we speak. Let's see how the candle is going to close today, if we're going to be in this range once again. And yeah, the support level that we're looking at, the next one is $26,513 once again. So let's see how that's going to play out in the next couple of days. On the weekly, again, we mentioned the 21-week moving average. We're keeping an eye out for that. You know, as we can see, Bitcoin got close to touching it last week, but it didn't. That should serve as strong support. And I think it's going to come up to the $26,500 level, give or take. Yeah, we're going to have that battle with that support. That is going to be a battle of the ages, because the last time we battled it, we had a massive buy wick here, and it impulsed the market towards the upside. So I'm excited to see how Bitcoin's going to react with this moving average once again. And right now, you know, just coming down, retracing back down to the mean. And this is it, man. That 26.5 level is going to be pivotal. After that, the 25K is where you have that massive support as well. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. With regards to Bitcoin dominance, we do see here that is consolidating sideways. It hasn't made a new local high, but, you know, it's making higher lows and lower highs. So, you know, decision time is going to have to come in this symmetrical triangle here. You know, that I wish I could draw here, but oh, there we go. It's working now. So yeah, basically the way symmetrical triangles work is that it's a triangular pattern right here. You know, if you put this here and then you take the lows and you put this here, for example, you know what I mean? This is a symmetrical triangle that basically something's going to have to give. Something's going to have to give in the next couple of days, so maybe a week or two, heading into the brand new month of June. You know, dominance is going to have to make a decision. If it does break the symmetrical triangle, then the support is 47%. If it breaks it to the downside, if it's to the upside, then it just has to battle the previous pivot highs at around 49%. So exciting times, guys. The market is neutral right now. Bitcoin is not, you know, it's neutral per se. It's still indecisive, even though it's retracing $1,000 today. So exciting times are definitely ahead, guys. Don't forget, we have our website, great tools and resources in the link in the description down below in our website there. And all in all, to sum it up, Bitcoin's doing great, still stabilizing at around 27K. You know, not too many volatile moves yet. I mean, $1,000 down, it is considerable, but you know, Bitcoin is so big, has such a large market cap that you would need a couple of $1,000 move, you know, to really shake up the market. But I mean, it is showing a little bit of weakness, as we can see here in the chart, with consecutive bearish negative candles, but we'll see how it pans out in the next couple of days, guys. I want to thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and I hope you guys have a good one.